National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central DeKalb County in Middle Tennessee, northeastern Rutherford County in Middle Tennessee, southeastern Wilson County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Cannon County in Middle Tennessee, until 1:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:53 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles south of Watertown, or near Statesville, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Murfreesboro, Walter Hill, Downtown, Liberty, Auburntown, Las Casas, Milton, and Mattyville. This includes Interstate 840 near mile marker 57. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.